So in your business, maybe some questions to ask would be what?
Well, the first thing probably is what's being backed up. I mean, specifically, what are the individual pieces of data, the important systems, as far as like the accounting software, each of those things, what are we actually backing up?
And is that backup working today?
Correct. I mean, is it actually working today?
And how long would it take to get everything back and usable?
Correct. And when was the last time we actually tried it?
Yeah. And who's responsible for making sure too that you could get it back?
I think that's a big one, because most of the time it's always somebody else, and it turns out that nobody knows really who it is.
We had a client where a lady was supposed to swap tapes on the older traditional tape backup system, and she was let go, and 6 months later they realized nobody had taken on that responsibility when the server died, of course. So again, a reason why you want this backup and disaster recovery, and kind of take it out of the hands and make sure that somebody is really watching it. And I guess too, when was the last fire drill?
I think that's really important, to make sure that somebody actually has gone through the steps. I find a lot of times people assume that it was tested, but when you actually drill down into it, you find that there has never been a fire drill. Nobody knows for sure that it works. What
is the plan if you actually had that fire or a flood or some other issue that shut the business down? Because the statistics say 40% of businesses that have some data loss, some substantial data loss, don't survive. So again, talking about backup and disaster recovery today, Chris Hurley, Kevin Wade with IntelliSystems. Hope you got a little something out of that, and we'll see you next time.